Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing a Core 1 question here, and we're going to go over the third bit in a little bit more detail. So the circle C has the equation x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 8y plus k equals 0, where k is a constant. And it says, given that the point with coordinates minus 6, 5 lies on C, find the value of k. So that's 2 marks. Let's listen to my guest presenter talk about how we found the value of k there.
So
what did we do?
To find the value of k, you simply substitute x equals minus 6 and y equals 5, which gives you k, which is 39.
So you're just replacing every time you see x and every time you see y and solving there for k. Fantastic.
Yeah.
The next point said find the coordinates of the center and the radius of C. So this is a 3-mark question. How did you solve that?
To solve that, I completed the square and then simplified it. And then the coordinates of the center would be minus 5, 4, and then the radius would be square root of 2.
Okay, so you have to complete the square for x and complete the square for y.
Yes.
To find put in the form where it's x plus a constant squared plus y and another constant squared, and that's the general formula for the equation of a circle.
Yeah.
And have a look out for the other completing the square videos on the channel. Then we'll talk through the last question, which said a straight line which passes through the point A, 2, 3 is a tangent to C at the point B. And we're going to sketch this. And we have to find the length AB in the form K root 3. So my guest presenter has made a sketch of this. We have the center minus 5, 4. We found the radius of root 2 in part B. And we have this point A, 2, 3. So what do we do here?
To do this question, I would split them up into triangles and use Pythagoras' theorem. So I draw a triangle here, and then I know that's a right angle.
Okay.
To find the hypotenuse of this triangle, which would be 7 and 1.
Because you know that's minus 5 and that's 2, so we've added them together.
Yeah.
Okay, that's 7.
So you get 7 squared plus 1 squared equals, let's just say, is that C? Yeah, CA squared. So 49 plus 1 equals CA squared, 50 equals CA squared, therefore CA equals the square root of 50.
Okay, just using Pythagoras there to find CA.
So now you've got another triangle, and you can use Pythagoras' theorem again.
Okay, so we're moving from that triangle there, and that was just a straight line, and now we're going to move to this center of the circle to B to A. Okay, and what do you do here?
So from the previous question, we were told that the radius was the square root of 2, and from the exercise we did before, we found that the hypotenuse was 50, square root of 50.
Okay.
And then this time we do the square root of 50 squared minus the square root of 2 squared equals the length of BA squared.
And that's what we're looking for, that's the question. Yeah.
So that would be 50 minus 2 equals BA squared, 48 equals BA squared, therefore BA equals the square root of 48.
And they've asked it in the form K root 3.
Which would be 4 root 3.
Fantastic. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching this A-level question. A number of steps in this coordinate geometry. We had to use Pythagoras twice to solve the question. Please do like, subscribe, and share.